Alright, so for this week we're going to be looking at HD, also known as Home Depot. Now, as we can see on the chart, this is the chart for Tuesday, Monday, last Friday, Thursday, and Wednesday. So we're not going to be looking at the entire week, but we're going to be looking at the week since the 11th of May. And as we can see, this chart, it's very easy to read, and there are only very few trends. So let's just jump off into this and let's hop into May 11th, 2022. As we can see over here, the market starts off bearish, however, it flips on us and it gets very, very bullish. And just knowing when to enter, when to exit these trades is what what is gonna make you the most money. So say you enter into a short position over here, as you see it's turning around, you can exit it and you could have made a profit, made money on the way up. And over here looks like it's going to be a false break, so could have exited around here when you see it turning around and re-entered over here. So as we can see, for this day there would only be a few trades. Hopping into the next day, there's only going to be a few trades as well, but let's not stay focused on the past few weeks. Let's stay focused on what happened in the market today. As we can see, the market jumped off and it started and it jumped straight into a bullish trend. However, it turned back around and became very, very bearish. As we can see over here, this might be a moment where a lot of investors and traders may have exited the trade just because they thought that it might have turned around. You could have made a decent profit right over here. However, if you stayed into the trade all the way up until this point, you would have made the most. However, if you just held on to the trade until the next change, you would have done okay for the day. You would have it would have required a little bit more patience, but you would have still done pretty well. And over here, the market goes up. It hits this level over here 3 times, and it turns back around. If you had entered right over here and exited over here, so you would have either broken even, or you would close out with a small profit or loss, then that would be ideal. Same thing goes for this trade over here. It would have been in the negative for a brief period of time. By this time in the day, if you had traded the entire day, it wouldn't have really mattered because you would be in profit and a small loss wouldn't mean that much. Next, getting into this trade and closing out of the trade about 20 minutes before market close would be a good idea. The price starts to go down around here. I would have probably closed around this position over here. And that's it for the day. Home Depot. We're gonna have more videos up, and we're gonna have we're gonna trading live in our mastermind group, so that you can take a look into what we're doing and you can see how we're doing it, so that you can follow along with us. If you want more information about the mastermind program, go over to our website and send us a message or an email, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.